I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Crazy Steve Pyrotechnics. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a fireworks show. I'm actually out at the shoot site right now. Obviously, if you look kind of behind me there, you'll see just a quick glimpse of the racks. Of course, per company policy, I'm not allowed to go through the assorted things or whatever. It's just kind of just a competition thing. Of course, we don't want competitors to know our exact shot counts, what things we use, etc. But this is just a show for a client here, and gonna be a good show, you guys. We're gonna shoot off kind of the company just gave us a bunch of stuff and said put together your own show the way that whatever, and they said use this certain thing in the finale. And so we pretty much had free reign in the middle of the show as far as what they gave us, how we arranged it, how the finale is going to look, with the exception of the one thing. But I really hope you guys enjoy this show. I don't really know how long it's going to last, but it should be good regardless. It's cold, it's windy. I'm hoping the wind dies down just a little bit before we shoot. Otherwise, it's going to be a rough time for those smaller shells, per se, that are... And I got mine shells, too, which are supposed to be nice. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this show. Without further ado, that's all I got for you guys today.
Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, fire.
Nice.
Nice, fucking love that sound. Ha ha ha!